All right, so here's kind of a big day for me. So wowzer. Thank you, Phytech. Thank you, Dakota Digital. She's relearning. I gotta run down and get me an IAC. There she goes, settled out. So this is the auto dim feature. And that's the dimmer switch. I like it. I played for a different color pattern at night. That's the daytime. Getting one of these dashes in with the extra of the Dakota makes it a little bit of a pain. I had to drop the steering column down a little bit. But that being said, I am like extremely happy. Now we're on to wiring up the clock, doing the radio, and I gotta get the brake light switch back on, which will involve a little bit more reprogramming because now I'm going to say there is a brake, and I'm going to also run the blue wire there to this to indicate that it has brake. So if I ground this, you'll see, boom, brake light shows the brake switches or the parking brakes on. Yeah, pretty cool. Definitely how I'm wiring up my other truck, my other 71. The other 71 will be a little bit different setup. Okay. Yeah, cool thing is you can run it without the Phytech controller on it. Gotta replace that annoying squeak. Yeah, I gotta do that too, but we do have a fundraiser tonight, so I probably won't get it done tonight. I'll probably be on to tomorrow. Oh, and I did get this will turn this off. So this is a thermostat for the tranny cooler. So the vacuum lines are hooked up to this and they're tested. I don't have vacuum to it yet. It's right here. I still got a few wires to play with, but these are radio and other stuff like that. And then I have the heater control for this. And I gotta put that out to the blower motor resistor. But I'm really liking this truck. Getting closer and closer. But there we are for the moment.